Is your old AC unit struggling to keep up? Time to upgrade and chill with a new central air system. Upgrading to a new central AC isn't just about keeping cool. Modern units are energy efficient, improve air quality, and can even boost your home's value. First up, sizing. Your AC needs to be just right for your home. Too small and it'll struggle, too big and you'll waste energy. Look for the SEER rating. The higher, the better for efficiency. Next, prepare for installation. Have a pro evaluate your home and inspect the ductwork. Leaky ducts? Not cool, literally. Fix those first for maximum efficiency. Now, let's talk installation. The outdoor unit needs proper placement for airflow. The indoor unit and ductwork must be securely connected. A solid setup means consistent cooling. Finally, testing. Run performance checks and calibrate the thermostat. Accurate temperature control is key. Remember, costs vary. Bigger and more efficient units cost more, and so do complex installations. But a good system is worth it for comfort and savings in the long run. So, there you have it. Understand your needs, choose wisely, and enjoy a cool, comfortable home. Stay chill, folks.